I'm Kate Kroeger, the founder of The Confidence Company. So we're really excited to be part of the Marketing Circle, which is a new initiative in Geelong. And the three-part series is all about helping business owners to feel more confident with public speaking. So lots of business owners will want to know how to pitch their particular product or service, and also then how to run, to prepare and then to deliver an engaging workshop. The first workshop with the Marketing Circle is on the 9th of May, and it's all about helping people to feel prepared and also to be adaptable when looking at running a marketing event or perhaps a workshop to promote their business. And a tip in regards to being prepared and adaptable during your event: think about writing down exactly what it is that you would like your audience to walk away with, but then know that it's your job to read the audience in front of you. Have the timeline of your event or presentation visible so your audience is aware of what journey they're going to be taken on.